Everyone, welcome to Smart Parrots. Guys, I'm trying to make Kiki to take food from me, okay? And today, maybe you might witness this. I am recording it, okay? So here is an apple, okay? I'm trying to make Kiki to come to me and take it from me. By the way, this is Yo-Yo here. This is Yo-Yo and that's Kiki. Kiki. I'm now gonna wait here until she comes here and she takes the apple from me. Kiki? Kiki? Come. No, Kiki. Come. She's still very unsure, but I think she will do it soon. Kiki, come here, boy. Kiki. Yeah, boy. No, Kiki. Kiki, no pussy, no pussy, no pussy. Kiki ka. What? This is not very easy thing to do, guys, and it requires lots of patience. Okay, as you can see, Kiki is trying to come in, but she knows I'm there, and that's the reason why she turns around and she goes away. Okay, I'm also using a tool which is the apple. I know she likes apples. Okay, she likes grapes, and this is only game of patience. Okay, so she knows she wants that apple, she wants it, but I have to be patient, and I know this is a game of time. Okay, it might not happen today, but it will happen maybe tomorrow or day after. Okay. So you can see she really wants to do it, and she is sort of like, I can do it. But I'm just so scared of that big person who is holding my apple. So it's a game that I am trying to win, and it's only a matter of time when I win it. As you can see, Yo-Yo, he is sitting on a perch, beside my head, and he's just chilling and watching and thinking, what the hell, Kiki? What you doing? Uri is very good boy, and he would never hurt you. Just take that stupid apple from him. I'm like, Kiki, come here. Take that apple. Here, look at this beautiful juicy apple. Come and get it. Anyway, this is a game that I don't mind to play. I had a little bit time, so I chosen to use that time to teach this little birdie how to become this amazing parrot, okay? I'll be honest, guys, this is day 6 with Kiki, and I think it's going very well. Obviously, we want everything to go very quickly, but things with birds don't go as quickly as we want, okay? And I'll be honest, Yo-Yo was way harder to teach than Kiki. And take in consideration that Kiki was in wild, okay? We don't know how long, maybe 6 months, after she escaped from someone's house or somebody let her go, we don't know. But she lived a little bit of time in the wild, and which means that makes her a little bit sort of wildish, which means it's gonna be definitely harder to teach her than a little chick that is born in captivity and never experienced life anywhere else, okay? So this is a little bit more challenge, but again, if you use in tool a food, then you will win. You can see she really wants to come and take that apple, okay? But guys, do you know what? Today is a Thursday and then Friday after, and I will have all Saturday and Sunday to try again. And I tell you one thing, you wanna know a secret? I am not gonna give up until Kiki takes the food from my fingers. And I can tell you something. Once she takes it first time, then she will take it every time, okay? Because Yo-Yo was exactly the same, and the bird before, Kuko, was exactly the same too. So I decided I'm gonna switch my arms because the other arm was a little bit tired. And here we go. I got more time to go. Otherwise, again, you can see she is thinking, the only thing that is in her way is me. But listen, I'm not gonna give up. I will be there, I will be here. And she is gonna take that food from me. I have all day. So anyway, by this video, guys, I wanna inspire you. When you are new owners of parrots, just keep the patience, okay? It's all game of patience. Just because the parrot is not what you wanted him to be, it's no reason to get rid of your parrot or let him fly free, okay? Your parrot will become amazing, I promise you, but you need to give him time, okay? You know how it works when you come to work or you have a new job and you have a new colleagues. You need to get used to them, they have to get used to you, and then relationship can become way better, okay? So you can see Kiki is flying back and forward all the time. But you know what I tell you? So when we had day 1, day 2, day 3, she would never come this close to me. Never. Okay? So this is a massive progress. And if you keep watching, you're actually gonna see that Kiki is gonna come very close to me. And I didn't even know about it. And it will be sometime soon. So here we go, you see? She's just coming here and there. She's having plenty of fun. Okay, look at this. How close is she now? Look at this. She could just do it now. And she didn't. So, what to say. I didn't even see it. I only saw it when I was watching this video. That actually, look, she came even. She wanted to land actually near my arm, but she didn't. So she was a little bit lost, but a little bit annoyed probably. That's why she was flying everywhere around me now this time. But you know, you have to be patient, okay? She has to be patient with you, and you have to be patient with her as well, okay? I don't want to push her too quickly, but you know, why not to try to teach someone really quickly? At least it can be my personal best, you know? I think she will be great parrot, okay? And I'm gonna continue to record videos for you guys. So please make sure you subscribe to us if you enjoy our content. And yeah, I'm excited to make another video this weekend, and hopefully it will be with Kiki taking the food from me, okay? So keep watching, subscribe, and comment. See you soon.